What's up? Hey friends, today I'm going to show you how I crop my t-shirts. So I posted a video a few months ago, actually, beginning of this year on my Instagram. It was just a casual outfit of the day. I was doing some errands. I'm like, let me just record an outfit of mine. And the video went viral. It blew up. And it was a simple outfit. It's just like a quintessential outfit that I wear, which is just a plain white t-shirt, some jeans, but the t-shirt was cropped. But I got so many comments and shares and whatnot. People were asking me where I bought the t-shirt, and I made it. I cropped it myself. And I started doing this like towards the end of last year. I just liked the look, and I saw like a few people wearing cropped tees, and I'm like, I'm gonna do that myself. And if you're wondering, those t-shirts that I purchased or that I wear are from Uniqlo. I'm not getting paid by Uniqlo. That would be awesome. Hello, Uniqlo. But they're basic t-shirts. They have different ones, but this specific one that I buy, I have so many of these, even non-cropped t-shirts. I have like 5 black t-shirts, like 5 white t-shirts, because I don't want them discontinued. They're only $10, which is great, but you can't always find these in store. They're always online though. You can do pickup, order online. So yeah, I thought I would make a quick video in old school fashion, doing a little DIY, how I crop my t-shirts. I'll stop talking. Enjoy. All right, adios. All right, so I have my new Uniqlo t-shirt that I'm gonna crop. You don't need to get Uniqlo. You can get something vintage, thrifted, and it looks super cool with an old band t-shirt. Use these for the gym or for anything. They were out of stock of large. I typically buy a large. However, for the sake of the video, I went for a medium. So what you wanna do is you wanna turn your t-shirt inside out. There is a reason for this, and you'll see why in a little bit. Make sure it's inside out. You wanna try it on, and I typically eyeball it. But what you want to do is use a marker to mark where you want to cut. I would suggest at first, be a bit conservative. You can always cut it shorter. You can never add more fabric. So just, a little short, not too short. And I use kitchen scissors. I just think they work best. Now, I would suggest if you're a first timer, grab a ruler and actually outline or mark where you want to cut it. Get a straight line just so it can guide you with your cutting process. Again, I just eyeball this. I'm used to it. I can see a straight line for the most part. I effed it up a little bit right there, as you can see, but that won't matter because once it curls up, you can't even tell the little, mistakes. Plus it's cropped. It's not that serious. So once you are done with that, you want to try it on, and you will see that it gets a natural curl because you flipped it inside out. So as you can see, it has this cool little, it just curls up, the fabric curls up. You can also stretch it, and it even makes it more curly. I feel like curly is not the right adjective to describe it, but that's what comes to mind right now. But that's basically it. I don't know about you, but I like washing my new t-shirts. I just think they feel better and more comfortable. But that is it, a straightforward DIY tutorial on how to crop your t-shirts. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next video. Adios.